Welcome to Cloud Adoption in New Zealand. This is a series talking about cloud adoption in general. Today's topic is actually about Cloud Adoption Framework. The Cloud Adoption Framework can be used to help you get from point A to point B in your cloud journey. Also, I want to talk about the challenges. So the challenges that I see that are really common for enterprises when they move to the cloud around cost optimization, around IT operations streamlining, and around being able to consolidate your applications in databases, for example. The Cloud Adoption Framework sort of works on these 6 areas of your business, and basically what it helps you do is go from discovery and proof of concepts right through to be able to have traditional workloads that you start moving up and shifting the cloud to innovating, and then once you've innovated, then you can scale and grow. But the areas I would focus on is obviously, what do you want to use the cloud for? What's the value you're going to get out of it? And so lift and shift is probably the first step, and then innovating. But you can innovate before you lift and shift. That's another important thing. If you've got a whole lot of mess, spaghetti stuff, and I talked about it in a video yesterday, if you've got a real mess of an IT system and it's going to be a lot harder to lift and shift, you can have 2 parallel streams of work going. You could have, for example, your lift and shift migration project going over here, which is going to take months or years, and then over here you could have your innovation project, which is maybe a small team that is focused on innovating on AWS. So that's a good approach. The sort of last one we talk about is influence, and we've got some good influence examples. And you don't have to be an influencer, but of course that could be a natural offshoot of going to the cloud and going along the journey. And of course there's lots of benefits moving to the cloud. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, is that the Cloud Adoption Framework really takes you through those different steps. Today's really just about a brief video, but I do have a longer video that is on YouTube that talks about this stuff in more detail. I use the same slides, but I'll get into detail, and thank you for listening and watching, and I look forward to your feedback.